Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how can you delete a Shopify store in your Shopify account. All you have to do is follow these quick and easy steps and don't skip any part of the video. So the first thing you need to make sure that you are logged into your Shopify account. The next thing you need to do is go to settings on the bottom left corner. So once you're in the settings, there are two ways that you can delete your store. I'm going to show you both. So for the first one you need to go is to go to plan. And here, if you deactivate your subscription, your account will automatically be deleted and all of your store will be deleted as well. If you click on deactivate trial, Shopify will prompt you to provide feedback on why you're canceling your subscription. Choose an appropriate option or select other if none of the provided option apply, and you need to specify a reason, or you can just select any of these and just click on continue, and you have to enter your password here and just click on deactivate store. So that's the one way of doing it. The one thing you need to make sure that canceling your subscription and closing your store are irreversible action. It is important to back up necessary data or files before proceeding with this deletion process. So now let me show you what is the other way. So for the second method, you need to go to user and permissions. And here you can see there is an option called transfer ownership. This method does not delete your account but rather transfer your ownership to a new person or a new customer that you want to. Just click on transfer ownership and enter the details of the person you are transferring to, and then just click on transfer store ownership. It will ask you to put in your password, and that will be basically it. That's the way of deleting your account or transferring the ownership of your account. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and I'll see you next time.